As you know by now, I'm really, really smart. And one of the number one things that irritates me when I look at other people's phones is that most people have their phone set up in a way that makes their battery die really, really fast. And then they complain, like, oh my god, my phone battery is dying so fast. Like, how am I gonna be passive aggressive with my boyfriend and then like bitch about my friends to my other friends? I always try and help them fix their problems and they never listen. I swear some people just want to complain. So for all those people out there that are really famous and have lots of important things to post on their Instagram story, listen up, because this will make your phone last much longer. Now, this is going to be specific to iPhones because, like, hello, obviously, but a lot of these things can be translated into weirdo for people who have those weird alien phones. Anyway, let's get into it. Number 1, turn off your mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and personal hotspot when you're not using them. Even if your phone is not connected to something, it is still scanning. The same way that bitches who are like, I don't want a boyfriend, I need to be alone, are still like, oh my god, he's so hot, should I get with him? To every guy who walks past. It uses a lot of energy. Lucky for us, unlike people, our phones have a switch to turn this setting off. All you have to do is go into the settings and flick the switch. But wait, our phones are sneaky. Using the pull-up and pressing the button doesn't turn it off. It only disconnects you. You have to go into the settings to turn it off. Number 2, use Wi-Fi whenever you can, instead of mobile data. It uses much less battery. I don't know why, I'm not a rocket surgeon, but some lady at Apple told me that that's how it is. Number 3, turn off background app refresh. This refreshes your feeds while you're not using them. As much as it's really important to have updated feeds so you can see my Instagram posts as soon as I post them and like them, you people can refresh your own feeds manually when you go onto Instagram by pulling down. Having background app refresh on uses heaps of battery and reduces the total grading time of your phone, and nobody wants that. So get on there and turn it off. Number 4, turn your brightness down. You'll get used to having a lower brightness. This also has the added benefit of making it harder for people to see what you're doing on your phone. And if you're a two-faced bitch like me, you'll know that's a good thing. Number 5, turn auto lock on and set it to a low time like 1 minute. This way, if you forget to lock your phone, it won't stay on forever. It will lock itself. Again, very useful for people like us who are always getting interrupted by fans, and stops people from getting in and looking at your messages. Number 6, turn off raise to wake. This setting makes your phone light up when you turn it over or tilt it towards your face. I mean, let's be honest, most of the time when I tilt my phone towards my face, I just want to look at myself. Turning off raise to wake will save your battery and make it much easier to see yourself in your phone screen. Can it get any better? Not likely. Number 7, turn off Hey Siri. How often do you use Siri? Never, right? She's really desperate and is always listening for you to say, hey Siri. Like all needy people, she steals a lot of your energy. So just switch off Hey Siri and she won't speak unless called upon. Number 8, close down the apps you're not using. You do this by double pressing your home button and flicking them up. Having apps running in the background that you're not using just wastes battery. Number 9, finally, if you get into trouble and have to save that last bit of battery for that really inspirational post, use low power mode. So that's it. Those are my top tips to help you save your phone battery. You can ignore me at your own risk, but these tips are going to save you in your next life or death insta situation. Thanks for watching this video. I post new videos to this channel every Sunday. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this, and I know I do. You have been schooled by Tom. Bye!